Well, hello again. Today is February the 7th, 2017, and today's temperature will be about 80 degrees. We're getting close to 80 degrees anyway, and it looks like wintertime for those of us in central Arkansas is about over, which is kind of nice. Unfortunately, we've had rain, and more rain, and I'm unable to actually put the fencing up because the tall wooden posts they just wobble too much because the ground is saturated with water. So we're gonna have to wait till they dry out a little bit, or the other option I have is to pull the post back out, make them much deeper, maybe another foot, which I don't look forward to, but there's only 8 of them, so maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll get one of our grandsons over here, dig it deeper, put them back in, and then go ahead and lay up that fencing. And as you can see, we haven't had a chance to do the roof shingles yet, which we will get to. And like I said, it's been wet. It's rain and every other thing. Every time you turn around, it's rain, rain, rain. And the old fencing just is laying over there in the corner, waiting to be put up. And but we did make a little bit of progress on the shed. Now, this past weekend, my son-in-law and I, we dug our trench with a ditch witch all the way across for the power to the door of the shed. And well, just to the left of it, that's where we're going to bring it in at. I still have to drive a ground rod, which I have. And let's go inside and take a look at what our next to youngest grandson, Ethan, which would be my son-in-law's youngest child. We've been working on that on the weekends a little bit. Show you how we're making out with that. Here's where the power will be coming in. You know, the wire will come in. We're going to put a sub panel or a 100 breaker panel on the house, and they run it out here. It'll go in that little 1-inch. We got to get a reducer, and wires will come in there. The ground rod will go somewhere in this area here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at inside. This is what Ethan and I have been doing. We are making some progress. We're certainly not carpenters, that's for sure. But we've been working our little buns off. We got everything framed up right now except for the ceiling. This weekend I'm going to buy 9 more 2x4s, and we're going to run them across the ceiling. We got this one in here which helps keep these this outside wall nice and solid. I got to get this done because I got to clean up this mess over here and get stuff built on the wall, shelving and things of that nature, but I want my shop done first. Over here is where the desk will go. Our workbench will be here, and along here like this, and that should be plenty. And so that's what's going on with that. Got it all done. And as soon as I get those ceiling hangers out, joists up there with the hangers, I've got all the hangers. I just got to pick up the wood. Then we'll go ahead and start, putting in the plywood on there and everything. This is where the circuit breaker panel will go. It comes in down here where I kind of made a little spot for the wire to come in. Everything will be surface mounted. There's the box right there we're going to use for that. Everything will be surface mounted, and nothing will be in the walls. I don't want to have to tear apart the walls for anything. I want this insulation never to be disturbed. And we will be putting some insulation in these outside walls here, these 2 walls that come all the way down here like this. So anyway, old Brendan, my electronics mentor up in Detroit, he said, yeah, you need to make some more videos. Well, I can't make a lot of them, guys. I just can't. There's every weekend it comes up when I really actually get time to do it. This is the kind of things we've been doing. Building, building, building. So hopefully the next time you see this thing, it'll all be closed in. I'll have my workbench here with maybe a couple of workbenches here, and I don't know what else. Anyway, that's what's going on. We're going to have a couple of lights, by the way. Everything will be controlled by the circuit breaker panel, the circuit breakers. I'm not going to have any light switches. None of that stuff. I'll just come in, flip the switches on, and I'll have my power. Easy way to do it. Don't need an outside light either. Got that one light that lights up the whole area. So anyway, that's the update for now.